Hello everyone, welcome back. It's springtime and succulents are in bloom. The materials you need for this project are as follows, including black foam board. We'll begin this DIY with 3 white trinket pots, which comes in a few other colors for your choosing. This is one of my favorite succulents because of how realistic it looks, and it fits perfectly in the little pot. It is easy to remove. Just squeeze the styrofoam loose from the adhesive in its pot. The succulent separates easily from the styrofoam, therefore secure it in place with hot glue or a strong adhesive. Remove any uneven excess glue if necessary and adhere the bottom of the styrofoam to the pot with hot glue, and you'll have a perfect fit. We'll continue and do the same with the other 2 pots. The 3 succulents are complete, and this is what we have: easy and beautiful. We will now begin our second DIY, which are also succulents. I spray painted 4 glass vases with Rust-Oleum High Gloss spray paint. I'm tracing the mouth of each vase on black foam board. I will cut out each circle. Keep in mind, it does not have to be a perfect fit, just enough to insert the piece inside the mouth of the vase. I put my black circle cutouts aside for now and will place floral foam in the vases. I have the 4 pre-cut squares from Dollar Tree that fit perfectly at the bottom of the fishbowl vases. I glued them in place with my glue gun. From a floral foam block cut to size, I layered more of it, securing it with hot glue, stopping at about 1/2 inch from the lip of the vase. I'm now puncturing a hole in the black circle cutout and will clip about 1 inch off the stem of my succulent. Before I hot glued my foam board into the pot, I decided to puncture another smaller hole for my smaller succulent. There was no particular order to this. I was figuring it out as I went along. Here I'm adding hot glue inside the hole to secure the succulent in place. This will continue with the remaining succulents in this project. This is one of two smaller potted succulents that I'll remove from its pot. I'll insert it into the arrangement after hot glue is instilled in its insertion spot. I'm applying clear Gorilla Glue on the surface of the foam board underneath the succulents to adhere the little black stones from Dollar Tree. Guys, I think this is turning out so nice. It looks so authentic. We'll continue with the next arrangement, which is basically the same concept as before, but with a different vase, succulent, and stones. Please continue watching. I'm so pleased with the way these beautiful succulent arrangements turned out. This is a great start to my spring decor. If you've enjoyed this DIY, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. Please subscribe for more upcoming videos. God bless. I'll see you in the next one.